Here's how to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication on Robinhood. There you go. You did it just now. If you didn't know, every Robinhood account already has 2FA enabled. So no matter what, you have that feature baked in. There's no way to disable it, no way to enable it. It just is what it is on Robinhood. Now, if you try to log in on a different phone, it'll ask you on the first device that you logged in on if that's really you, so it'll make you confirm. You can also use text messaging, and there may be some other options as well if you kind of go down the list of different things. So what that means is you can change the information that you have to provide it, like the device or your phone number, things like that, but you cannot just turn it on or turn it off. To change the information like phone number on Robinhood, you go to your profile, and then you're going to go up here to the menu and down to settings. Inside of settings, you're going to have personal information. So inside of here, you're going to have information, email address, phone number, etc. That is basically going to allow you to change what that two-factor authentication requires. And so if you need to change some of that personal information, this is the spot that you can do that. That's how you can turn on two-factor authentication on Robinhood, as in it's already on.